Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Node Exporter on Ubuntu VPS for Prometheus, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your Ubuntu VPS via SSH. You can do this using the terminal or a command prompt. Use the following command to log in: ssh your username at your server IP. Replace your username with your actual username and your server IP with your server's IP address. Once logged in, ensure that your system is up to date. Run the command sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade y. Next, install the required dependencies. Use the command sudo apt install curl jqy. Now, it's time to download the Node Exporter. Navigate to the official Prometheus downloads page. Copy the link to the latest Node Exporter tarball. Return to your terminal and use the following command to download it: curl https://github.com/prometheus/node_exporter/releases/download/vx. Be sure to replace XYZ with the version number you copied. Once the download is complete, extract the files. Use the command tar xvf node_exporter x.y.z.linux amd64.tar.gz. Change into the extracted directory using cd node_exporter x.y.z.linux amd64. Now, move the Node Exporter binary to /usr/local/bin. Run the command sudo mv node_exporter/usr/local/bin. To set up Node Exporter as a service, create a new service file. Use the command sudo nano/etc/systemd/system/node_exporter.service. In the editor, paste the following configuration: plaintext, unit, description equals Node Exporter once equals networkonline.target after equals networkonline.target, service, user equals nobody, group equals no group, type equals simple, exec start equals /usr/local/bin/node_exporter, install. Wanted by. Reload the systemd manager configuration with the command sudo systemd reload. Now, start the Node Exporter service using sudo systemd start node_exporter. To enable Node Exporter to start on boot, run sudo systemd enable node_exporter. Check the status of the service to confirm it's running. Use the command sudo systemd status node_exporter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see that the service is active. Node Exporter runs on port 9100 by default. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.